Beetlejuice, 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 Beetlejuice. One of the themes that I am $18 each, beyond the budget. And then this, I am eyeing this one though. They're closed. I would recommend now's the time. Took me a while to find it, but let us begin. Hello social media. So I'm a little bit late to the game, which is very ironic because Halloween season is totally my thing, but apparently I've been beat to the game by many other people. So I am officially starting my Halloween hunt for my usual infamous Halloween parties that I always do every year. Well, some years. But yes, I'm about to shop at HomeGoods up there in the back. So the first store that we're gonna hit up is the HomeGoods, which I really don't come to this store, but I have a gift card that was given to me by my beautiful baby girl that I haven't used. It's been a year, so hopefully it still works. And then there's a Ross, and then I saw Party City with like a Halloween store, so we're definitely gonna hit those up. So stay tuned. So one of the themes that I am thinking a lot about is pumpkins. I won't spoil for what, but pumpkins will be a predominant thingy. So if you guys are looking for wreaths for Halloween or autumn or Thanksgiving, this would be the place. The only thing is that they're so expensive, so probably wait for a sale. I am eyeing this one though. I'll think about it. Okay, so that was pretty quick. Did the whole like tour around the store. I was gonna get these placemats that were like black and had gold pumpkins in it, but I'm not sure if black's gonna fit the theme for that particular room that I'm thinking about. So I decided not to, and then everything else is like 60 to 100, and I'm talking about the things that I actually did like. So I'm gonna pause on that. I'm gonna ponder it. I took pictures, so let me think about it. But we're moving on to Ross. Usually when I'm looking for stuff, I like to find stuff like this. See, like they're like big pieces because I feel like it fills up the house a lot. I really like these, and I totally would have taken these, but they're $18 each, and that is beyond the budget. But these are really nice. I'll be inspired and I'll do my DIY. And next up we have Party City, followed by Halloween. I think they're together. No idea. Anyways, let's go. And all it took was 1 second. They're closed. The plan B, I found a Spirit Halloween store right in front of the Mission Valley Mall. It usually moves. It's on the other side, but for some reason it's on this side by the freeway. In case you are wondering, it took me a while to find it, but let us begin. So it seems like they're pretty stocked. I think now's the time to go look for your stuff, because as we get closer, usually you can never find anything of your size and all that. So I would recommend now's the time. And of course, they're gonna go big on Hocus Pocus this year, but there's a lot of actual cute things this year. So look. Oh wow, these are fun, the little statues. I was actually thinking of these magnets, but when do we ever use magnets? What do we have here? Oh, Beetlejuice, 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 Beetlejuice. And then this bitch. Totally read this in high school. So I just found out that there's a second Spirit Halloween store, which is like a walk away from the one in the parking lot. It seems smaller, but not sure. So there's another option. So that concludes the shopping spree for Halloween part 1. I'll go home later and I'll show you my little findings. But that's it.